You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more interesting names from philosophy, French philosophy, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Henri is how we'd say it in French, silent H, Henri Bergson. Henri Bergson, so in English, Henri Bergson, Henri Bergson. Doesn't really matter which syllable you emphasize, because stress on, because in French all syllables are the same stress, so Henri Bergson. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like, a little gesture of support, I appreciate. Thanks again. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.